Hankie, birdie. Ooh. Hankie burpee. Yeah, yeah. Bouncy, bouncy. Ooh. Oh. Jax, you're shaking the cage. Dumb dog.
He wants to be on the live too.
Got it.
It's Funky Bird. Get funky with it, birdie.
Down with your bad self. Hankie birdie. She's tired. She's yawning. You like your feathers? Hankie birdie. Yeah.
Beatboxing. She's beatboxing with you.
Yeah. Hankie birdie.
I don't know if the volume is up high enough. Nobody's commenting. If you can hear us, say hello in the comments. I'm not sure if my volume's loud enough. Turn the sound up.
Who's whining?
Allie. She's not getting the attention.
Allie's not happy.
This is Hankie. She is a 19-year-old female Congo African Grey parrot.
Yeah.
She's pretty camera shy, but she does talk a lot and dances and makes sounds. So we're trying her out to see if she'll cooperate. Yes, she does talk a lot. She has a lot of sayings. She likes to yell at the dogs. She likes to show off her pretty wings.
Pretty wings.
Show your pretty wings. But usually when the phone is on her, she's
Nervous. She's a nervous.
kind of quiet.
Nervous
Brian,
girl.
go upstairs in the loft and talk to her from up there. Sometimes she chats better.
bird.
Zoom in a little bit.
You want a sea ball? Ooh, she wants a sea ball.
You can give her one. Just one.
Well, notice that she got a fluffy. Exactly. Oh.
Stretch.
Ooh. Slide down the cage. And then she's going to eat her sea ball. She can't decide which way to face. Tags. Being goofy.
All right, we'll probably
This is just a
end the live. This was just kind of our test to see how she would.
quick few minutes.
Thank you for watching. Have a great evening, everyone.
We'll probably try to stream longer later, but it's just like this is just a quick test to see how she do. So she did well. Bye.